How to create a ready-to-print passport photo. To create your own ready-to-print passport photo, start by clicking the Tools button on the Home tab. Scroll to the bottom of the list. Under Additional Tools, click Passport Photo. Choose your country from the Location dropdown. Upload your image and review the checklist and technical requirements. Once everything looks good, click Create. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to make a ready-to-print passport photo with PhotoPad. The Passport Photo tool is designed to help you produce a compliant passport photo for your chosen location. To use the tool, navigate to the Tools tab and select the Passport Photo option. Choose your country from the Location drop-down menu. If your country isn't listed, select Other Location. Next, add your photo using any of the available image options. Click Load Image to upload your image from the file browser. Select Webcam Photo to capture an image directly from your webcam, or simply drag and drop your image into the workspace. Use the Overlay guidelines to fine-tune the image by clicking and dragging the edges of the Crop tool, ensuring your image is perfectly aligned. Once you're satisfied with your photo, choose the number of copies you'd like to print, ranging from 1 to 6. Don't forget to review the photo checklist and technical requirements. These guidelines are essential, and it is also a good idea to verify the requirements specific to your country. Make sure to check off each item before you click Create. For more PhotoPad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.